Hello friends, in this video we are going to discover the best places to visit in Bangalore. Kindly make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon before we start this video about the Bangalore tourist places. Also post your favorite places to visit in Bangalore in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too. Bangalore, officially known as Bengaluru, is the capital and the largest city of the Indian state of Karnataka, and if you're looking forward to visit Bangalore in the near future but confused about what are the best places to visit near Bangalore, watch this video till the end to clear all your doubts regarding what are the must-visit places in Bangalore. There are many best places to visit in Bangalore, each of which contributes to history, culture, architecture, nature, art, and spirituality. Bangalore is one of India's most famous and buzzing metropolitan cities. There has to be a treasure trove of amazing activities and attractions to discover. Popularly called India's Silicon Valley and renowned for its plethora of beautiful botanical gardens, Bangalore is also known as the pub capital of India, city of gardens, and the air-conditioned city for its amazing weather round the year. Top 5 best places to visit in Bangalore. Here is the list of famous places in Bangalore you must want to visit once in your life. If you are looking to plan a weekend trip with your family and friends, so these are the most attracting tourist places in Bangalore to visit that will make you fall in love. Number 1 on the list of best places to visit in Bangalore is Tipu Sultan Fort. Located in the most crowded market area, Tipu Sultan Fort represents the artistic talent that prevailed in the past. It was originally constructed by Kempegowda in the year 1537 using mud bricks. It was modified and extended by Hyder Ali, who used granite stones in the process. It was Tipu Sultan who completed it during 1791 and it served as his summer retreat. The two-storied structure has pillars, carved arches, and balconies. It represents Islamic style, and you could find a temple of Ganesha, a Hindu god. This throws light on the religious tolerance exhibited by the ruler. If you love to go deep into historical facts, you need to visit the art gallery in the fort, which houses historical paintings, photos, and carvings. Number 2 on the list of best places to visit in Bangalore is Lal Bagh Botanical Gardens. This botanical garden is one of the most beautiful botanical gardens you could find in India. Constructed by Hyder Ali, it was later modified by Tipu Sultan. The glass house in the gardens was inspired by the London Crystal Palace. Spread across a sprawling 240 acres of land, the garden has above 1,800 species of plants, herbs, and trees. The lawn clock in the garden is the first of its kind in India. Number 3 on the list of best places to visit in Bangalore is Bangalore Palace. Bangalore Palace was constructed by Chamaraja Wadiyar in the year 1884, and he had his inspiration from England's Windsor Castle. Located at city's center, the Tudor-style construction has Gothic windows, wood carvings, and turrets, which stand proof of the stunning architecture during the period. The 430-acre land that holds the palace has beautiful gardens. The palace is now used to conduct exhibitions and concerts. Number 4 on the list of best places to visit in Bangalore is Nandi Hills. Nandi Hills is a perfect location to feel one with nature. Located 60 km away from Bangalore, it is one of the hill stations near Bangalore with the solid monolithic granite mass that offers the best view. Rivers Palar and Arkavathai originate from here. The hill was named after the renowned Nandi temple, which is situated at the top of the hill. It is situated 1478 meters above sea level. The climate is pleasant and hence any time is the right time to visit the place. Some of the tourist attractions here include Amrit Sarovar, Tipu Summer Palace and Fort, Horseway, Origins of Palar and Arkavathai Rivers, Yoganandeshwara Temple and Tipu Drop. You can find a playground for children here with excellent facilities to enhance the spirit of children. Number 5 on the list of best places to visit in Bangalore is Cubbon Park. Cubbon Park is situated in 300 acres of land. It was constructed by Richard Sankey, who was the chief engineer of Mysore. The massive green parks and the lawns that are well maintained need special mention. The park offers beautiful walkway. It is a perfect place for you to be during your hectic holiday tour. It deserves to be called a paradise for walkers. Statues of famous personalities are situated here. You will be mesmerized by the sight of Cubbon Park in the evening when the lights are turned on. So, which is your favorite place among the best places to visit in Bangalore? Even though Bangalore might not have many iconic attractions like other major Indian cities, it does offer some terrific sightseeing locations to tourists. Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this. Post your favorite places to visit in Bangalore in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too.